Well, guys, as you can see, we got money. Good bit of money, if I do say so myself. So we are going to place a lot down, pay off our loan, and get an incline maybe, or a bridge. Either case, we're spending our money. We're gonna do it. We're gonna pay it. We're gonna pay our debt. Oh, I am debt free, guys. Well, for now I'm debt free. I want to expand. Yeah, let's do it. Put me in debt.
L has arrived! Boots! Yo, hello, Boots. He isn't bad. He's a cool looking crocodile. But I think I'll pass. I think I'll pass on Boots. We have a couple more tickets we can use. But while we're here, might as well fish for fish and chop some trees and get some wood. Another mystery island means another chance to find a villager. Hopefully Fang. Hello? Campfire over here. Who is this? Let's go say hello. Yo, what's your name? Harry. Nice to meet you, Harry. Guys, I feel like most people would say Harry's ugly. I kinda like him. I kinda like Harry. I think I'm gonna buy Harry. I actually kinda really like him. Some change, huh? Would that change even something maybe like something like moving to the east? You know, my island?
No, it looks the parasite. Right here. I think that is the correct spot. I sure hope it is. Alrighty, guys. It's time to go get a villager. Yeah, got it, man. Oh, villager! Where art you? Oh, hello. He looks kind of interesting, guys. Let me cross the river! Hi. Buzz. Hello, Buzz. Yes, I'm Liam. Guys, I think he's the one. What? Bridges and inclines. Hurry up. I know. We can't actually even afford one, I just realized. We only have 69. Whatever, I still need one. Yeah, I'm going with the cheapest option. We need these bridges and inclines and all that crap because Isabel would cry if we don't do that, so. Don't really care where it goes, so we're gonna put it here. Okay, Flo, okay, really? What should they check out? Can't beat the views here. What are you trying to say then, Flo? He's calling you fat. Whoa! Whoa! I have found another tarantula, guys. I'm gonna get ya. Nope. Nope. Okay. Now. Okay. I was a little nervous there for a second, but we got it.
Alright guys, I just got finished eating like like a giant, this cake. I probably ate too much of it, but it's whatever. It's whatever. Ignore the way I look. Something happened. Yeah, I don't want Pinky, so we're just gonna go and leave. There were 6 hours and 4 minutes to be exact. Oh yes, we're halfway done. We're halfway done. We need to hurry it up. We need to hurry it up. I want you on my island right now. Let's talk island evals. Oh my gosh, yes, explain it. Yeah, that's great, Isabel. That's great, Isabel. Yep, yeah, I know this works. I know how this works. 1 star. Guess it's better than 0. What do we need? More residents. That makes sense. We don't really have many. So then that's what we'll work on then. We have Avery moving in tomorrow. After Avery, we'll get someone else. So that's the first plan. That's the first step. So it's next day. Avery moved in, and we're on to find villager number 2. Hopefully not a quirky villager this time, unless it's Fang, because we all know Fang is the best. I will scream if we find Fang, bro. But yeah, we're gonna be looking for a villager. Ooh, it's this island here. We should probably take advantage of this. And I'm not inviting her. I'm not inviting her, guys. Alright, next island. See what we can find. Guys, I should not have eaten all that cake. My stomach feels sick, bro. It's fine. We're just gonna find the we'll just find. Ooh, it's a tiger. Yo, what's your name? Hello, Rowan. To be honest, yeah, I like Rowan. I think we'll take Rowan. Come train on my island, Rowan. Yeah, the East is a perfect gym for you. Yeah, you're gonna become swole on the East. Unlike the West, I bet there's no athletes, real athletes on the island. Bam is just he just fakes it. And there is our first incline. We gotta pay for it still, but okay. Who's calling me? What do you want, Nook? Yeah, I found a great spot, dude. It's in between Rowan's house and the Able sisters. Yeah, I know I gotta donate. My cheap villagers won't. You don't gotta be sarcastic about it, Lloyd. I know you don't have any money. Whatever, this is literally all my money, but it's worth it because we need inclines to get to 3 stars. Let's go! Let's go! We're getting incline tomorrow, and I have the final housing plot in my inventory. So let's go ahead and put that down. Let's hope we can get like a different personality. We do have 2 jocks. I invited Rowan without realizing that I already have a jock tiger. Now we got 2 of them. But it's fine. The villagers aren't that important. We just need them for the stars. We really need these pretty faces, these villagers, for the ratings of my island. For the ratings of the East. You gotta make the East look good. I only have 1 ticket. So let's hope we get lucky. I don't have to run back to the town hall to resident services and have to buy another ticket. 'Cause that takes so long. Hello? I don't see any villager. I don't see a campfire. So I guess we'll see what happens tomorrow.
Alright, I think we have enough bells. We have enough. Barely, but we have enough. I need to get more bells now so I can get more land. Oh, yeah. That was so expensive. There's probably junk in my storage I can sell. We're gonna go check. Look at our house. Look how big it is. You know what? I don't care about my house. Look at all this stuff we can sell, guys. I need to keep the mirror, but like these clothes. I'm never gonna wear these clothes again. These apples I could sell. These glasses, I like that. This dress, this portable radio, this gold. There are plenty of things I could sell. Hey, hey, hey. Nice radio you got there. Too poor to buy it though. I want to sell. No, I want to keep that. Get rid of that. This, and this. 17,000, fine. I'll take it. Later. Still gotta decorate the island, but I like to do these villagers first. I'm gonna be doing the bare minimum, guys. The max I need is 8 villagers. And right now, we have, right now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We actually already have 8, but looks like we're getting more than 8. Maybe I'll do 10, actually. I don't know. Yo. Orville. I want to fly. Alright, let's get ourselves this villager. I know I don't want him, actually. Yoo-hoo! It's Eric, guys! He's from my other old island. Yo, bro, you wanna come to the island too?
Let's see who's in here. Maybe it's, I don't know, Thing. I don't even have anything to say to that, to be honest. I have no words. I mean, not worse than Tammy. What's up, bro? You're shy? No, I'm shy. Alright, thanks for clapping for me, I guess. What do we got? Who is that? It's a chicken. Yo, hello. Becky. I kinda like Becky, guys. Won't regret it, Becky. You will not regret it. Oh yeah, everything's gonna change. You're moving to the best island in existence, Becky. Don't you worry your little purple feathers. You're making a fantastic decision. A fantastic one! Okay, Isabel, like 9 people moved in. Is that enough for you? What do I gotta do? Check island evals. Let's go! We went up to 2 stars. We're at 2 stars. Let's freaking go. Oh, that's great. That's amazing. That is amazing. Did a snow person write this review? We're going up, guys. We're about to get 10 villagers on our island tomorrow. And we are at 2 stars. We are going to hit 3.
No way, guys. It's Kix. Yo. Yeah, it's like the best NPC in the game. Anyway, let's go, see the villager. Hello, you wanna come onto the island? Move here and see. It is. Let's go. We're gonna be neighbors. Oh, we're gonna be neighbors. Okay, I'll see you then. I'd say we've been doing pretty good. Can you not push me? Let's talk island evals. Yes. No, I don't want. Don't explain. 2 stars. Okay. That's good. What do we need, though? What do we need, Isabel? Who is this guy talking? Dawn? Appealing scenery. Decorate the entire island? Will do. Oh, and some fencing? Okay. I'll get to work with that. No, that's all. Thank you. Alright guys, we got some work to do. Let's do this.
This strange world, it's so fast and deep. All these things, wild and new to see. On my own, far from home, I was scared alone. When your beat showed the way to
Let me hear it. Welcome back to Animal Crossing. I'm getting a phone call. We spent all night making money. Hello, Tommy. 158,000 bells. That is amazing. Check our mail. Nook Inc. Cool. And a bunch and a lot of shopping stuff. Stuff we can place around the island. Because today is the day we hit 3 stars. That's the plan today. That is the goal. Rowan! Working hard or hardly working? Am I right or am I right, Rowan? Yeah. So we have a flag. EST. That stands for the East. Small mushroom platform there. And then we also got a coin. I thought I ordered a coin. Oh wait, no, I didn't order a coin because I couldn't order any more items. Tell me good news, Isabel. I want you to tell me that we have 3 stars. Hold my hands up. Press A, hold my hands up. Right now that East has.
That's right.
3 stars!
Crazy!
Let's go! We did it! We hit 3 stars! Whoa! Am I hallucinating? Or was that a feedback signed by KS?
Yes, there it is. Very clear. KS. And penmanship is quite striking if I do say so myself.
Could it be? Can it be? It must be! The one and only! I am just as shocked as you are, Isabel. I can't believe it. We finally achieved our goal of bringing our island to the attention of CEKK Slider. Let's go. A round of applause for me, for
for me who made this island for what it is.
Strike while the iron's hot, they say.
Oh my gosh, are we calling him? We're calling him. We're doing okay, we're doing it right now. He's talking to KK freaking Slider. Okay, breathe out. Breathe out. Okay, everything's fine. He's talking to KK Slider. Yes, the east. Yes, yeah, it's okay. Okay, hopefully we get some positive stuff. Oh, why is he freaking out? Thank you so much. Someone's gonna details. What details? Looking forward to what? Don't tell me. Don't tell me he's gonna perform on the east. He'll do the concert. KK Slider is coming here to my island. The real KK Slider. Congratulations to him. Congratulations to me.
Liam, yeah? Can you believe it? We finally turned our goal into reality. We'll spread news of the concert via our island broadcast system. I do hope you'll be in attendance, Liam. You simply must hear KK play. Yes, you must. Oh, I'll be there. We'll all be there.
I'm freaking out right now.
Oh boy, guys. KK, I'm such a big fan.
Hey, he's actually here.
West, it's real groovy being here today.
I'm literally shaking right now, guys.
Cause you know, it's not the East. That place sucks. I was dreaming of picking out what?
I was just scruffy pop with the shoebox guitar. I was dreaming of hitting out my own, wondering where the road will take me.
Dreaming of finding a magical place where cool cats like you would come together to see a stray like me. And obviously, the East wouldn't be able to do that, so I came here to the West.
No, don't apologize at all.
Oh yeah, right on. This one goes up to all you cool cats in the West. I call it Welcome Horizons.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Absolute cinema, guys. Thank you so much. Maybe I'll catch you next time. Beautiful.
Sorry, I got a little excited there.
We did pretty good, guys. We get the bonus point. We did under 8 hours, so you know, pretty good.
We get to Designer Island now, and we have about 4 hours to make it the best we can make it.
But we got big plans, guys. Big plans. This isn't over yet. We still got 5 more hours of this.